and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So here we have taken another sum on projection of lines. If you want to understand and learn about the basics of lines and its projection, do refer to my video lecture where I have explained each combination of projection of lines with different planes. Now moving towards our sum, the question says a line AB of length 80 mm has its end A is equal to 20 mm above HP and the line is parallel to VP and 30 mm in front of it. Draw three views of the line with plan length. Now here the plan length is given, which is from the top view is 55 mm. Find the inclination of the line with HP and height of end B above HP. So we'll go step by step. First we'll consider a line of length 80 mm. So this is a line I'm considering 80 mm, the vertical plane PP and the horizontal plane. Now end A is 20 mm above HP. So this is the end A. Now it is 20 mm above HP. So from the front view, this distance will be 20 mm and the line is parallel to VP and 30 mm in front of it. Now line is parallel to VP, so the line will be like this and it is 30 mm in front of it. So from the top view, the line will be like this. So this distance will be 30 mm. You have to draw the three views, that is the front, top and side view. Now here the plan length is given, that is 55 mm. Now what is this plan length? Plan length is nothing but from the top view. The line which is visible is called as the plan length. And the plan length is always less than the actual length. So the line now is inclined. It is parallel to the VP. This distance is 20. It is inclined. So A is at a height of 20. This distance is 30, which is in front of VP. And it is inclined. And this length, the slant length which looks like a straight from the top view, is 55. So as you can see, this line looks like this. Now you have to find the inclination. So you have to find the angle. This angle you have to find out. And you have to find the height of B above HP. So this distance you have to find out. So now moving towards our actual sum. First we'll draw the axis. As we have drawn the axis, we'll start with our actual sum. So this is how the line will be. This distance is 20 above A. So A is 20 above the horizontal plane. So from the front view, it will look like this and this distance is 20. So according to that, we'll plot a point above 20. This point will be A dash. Now you don't know the angle of inclination. So what I'll do, I'll draw the top view now. So I'll take the projections from point this A dash downward as we have been given the plan length. Now this angle you don't know. So from the top view, you know the A is 30 mm in front of VP. So this distance is 30 mm. So I'll mark a point 30 mm below this line. And this point will be A. And we'll draw a parallel line through it. Now here we get the plan length. And plan length given is 55 mm. So I'll mark a point 55 and this will be point B. I will draw a parallel line through it. Make a dark line first. So this is the plan length. This is A and this is B. Draw a parallel line and take it upward to the front view. Now the actual length, that is the true length, is given, that is 80 millimeter. So on compass I'll take the length as 80 millimeter. Keep it on point A, and from that A cut the line on the opposite side. So this distance is 80 millimeter. Make it dark. So this is the actual length. This is point B dash. Now we have got the inclination line. The true length is already given 80 millimeter. Now we can find out the angle. I'm drawing a parallel line here and we'll find out the angle. We'll calculate it through our protractor. This angle will be theta, the inclination angle, and that angle comes around 47 degrees. In exam, if you get 47.1 or 46.9, 0.1 degrees here and there is fine. Now we have to draw the side view. So we'll take the projections from the front view to the side view. Now here you have to draw the 45 degree angle line. And from the top view, take the projections to the side view. Now for the side view, as you know, the inclination is like this. This is the front view. Now moving towards the side view, the line is like this. So side view will be a straight line, and again its length will be less than the actual length, as it is again inclined. But inclination doesn't gets view in the side view. So this is A double dash, this is B double dash. We are done with our sum. This is vertical plane or the front view, horizontal plane or the top view, and profile plane or the side view. Marking the remaining dimensions, and also one more question we have to find out, that is the height of end B above HP. So we have to find that also. This distance is 20. This is 30. This angle is 45. I have to find out the height, the point B height, which is above HP. So this is the length we have to find out. This is height of end B above HP. So this length comes around 78. Again 78.1, 77.9, 0.1 degrees here and there, it's fine. This is the actual length or the true length. And this is the plan length which is given in the question, that is 55. Now the two questions which have been asked, you have to just write it down here. Inclination with HP we have found out, that is 47 degrees, and the height of end B above HP is 78 millimeter. So we are done with the sum. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, any queries, let me know in the comment section.